Okay, fellow people of the Southern Cameroons, welcome to this show, the No Connie Talk Show. Now I need to see go because I use na Mr. Lucas Asui Facebook. Now give me some time and make sure say be live. We will take a couple of seconds and then we will go straight to okay, give me a moment. Okay, we will be there. Okay, now we are live. Yep. So, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon territory, fellow citizens of Ambazonia, this is Comrade Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Savannah States. I come today for una again once more for give una a situation briefing on our operations on Ground Zero and certain operations or certain instances where I feel say una need to be updated. So we go to do more and more. Una know we believe in accountability, and one of the things that way Dr. Cho and my boss Benedict Kwa be appoint me for bring and for bring into the struggle my belief of public accountability as a means for better monitor our forces to Ground Zero and make sure say them be effective for the mission and the mandate way una rangi and for we una humble servants them for stand up or for fight for our right of independence and separation from La République du Cameroon. So it take a little bit time because I use a different person account, so I need to take my time. When I know say they don't call me for Facebook, I use another Facebook where they call an Abakwa Amba. So, but I know going to go live for day for the main time. So I go to remain for Mr. Lucas Asui platform for come brief una in my capacity as a Deputy Defense Chief. I go also still perform as an activist for continue for stand as a vanguard for our revolution, irrespective of my position. Una few always count that truth for coming from me. Una seven. So once more, all man be welcome for house. We will get a very big show later on. All our three leaders, Dr. Cho Ayaba, Mr. Yerima and Daphne, and Dr. John Bakuru, they will give a joint press conference with a show where it will be handled by JC, my former colleague for the interim government, and also Abu Free, the host of the panelist, and a very wonderful ADF and AGOF-C member. So I want to salute all now. I welcome all man for us. We will go straight as we don't always do them. We know so we not wait for people them anymore. Not be about my job then and for defense. So more important than my general for Ground Zero, but even important also now for inform una and the general public. So it no matter, but we not go to wait for all man. We need to be fast also for give time for our leaders, and so that all if we go shidong will listen for them. So I get a lot of things to do. The primary issue I get for presenter for una today now the situation where happened for Kugwe about 2 days ago. I go update una for the attack where happened for Insta Kugwe and the people the way they be involved. I go clarify certain things them as well. So but before we start, may we take time for salute our national our flag for remind ourselves where we will be and what we will stand for remind ourselves say we'll be in Ambazonian. Now the one thing that way they bring all we together, whether you're there for home or abroad, whether you're there for which side or for which side, we'll get one national flag, we'll get one country, Ambazonia. So maybe we'll take this time for salute our flag and remember our patriotic duty and those our boys and when they don't stand up for defend our country for Ground Zero. So now join me as we go sing our anthem. Maybe you know go finish, but at least we will take some time for play part of our national anthem. Here in a nation flowing with milk and honey, Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Okay, I think so the date be wrong. Some person now remind me, ma adjust the date. Thank you very much, Mr. Ngasa. Now today na number 31 day, no? Na number 31 day already for Hong Kong here. For place on a day na number 30 day if you know they for inside Asia. Unless you didn't have for Japan. So today na 31. I might change the date. It will appear for the screen. Voila, it don't appear. So now time for we for play one song for Salute Allman, for welcome Allman for us, and for cheer una up and for throw a shout out for every place where any person day. So I'll choose a very nice song today. Yeah. Welcome everybody, Mr. Kenneth. Welcome. I welcome Allman way day for Victoria and Buya. I salute all now people there for Tiko Mutengene. For Moyo Job, I salute you all. And there's welcome for us, Mr. Kenneth, welcome. And Ismail, welcome. We get a lot of things that we present on today. A lot of things. We don't break La Republic to Cameroon, their invincibility for their armored car. We will present them for now. And we will get a lot to present them. And we also get, I don't know what I will present them. I live inside my bag. I've one update about some document where come up for America. They ran submit for White House about a way for the US to intervene for our case. Maybe I will do one later on. Oh, welcome for us, Tabo Asanji, welcome. Solomon, welcome. Oman, we welcome. Oma welcome for Kumba. I salute Oma for Cape Town. Town for people who get sense. People who get the eye to shine. Welcome. Oma for Mutengene. I salute na all Mutengene boy the Matuna salute. I salute the people for China. For Amik, the great stronghold for China. Amik. I salute na. Franklin, welcome. Eno, welcome for us. Oma, be welcome. Wonderful. General Popo, I call you salute. General Epang, big number, the biggest number. I call you cafe. And all our general the ground zero, I call you na cafe. General Kapura. I give you cheers, Kapura. General Ebube, I salute you all. I salute my number na general for Bamenda. I salute. I salute na all colonel. I salute you, captain. I salute you all. Na do wonderful job. I'm so proud of una. Without una, no for the top plenty. So all mommy welcome. Ophelia welcome for us. Franklin welcome for us. Auntie welcome. All mommy welcome. I salute una for Belgium. I salute una for Germany, for South Africa, all around the world. I throw una salute. So I enjoy this song. Lumquita, welcome for us. All my people welcome today. I throw una salute. This song na Ice Eric sing this song. It's a very nice song. So Roger, welcome for us. Ama Roger, welcome. And all na be welcome. Okay. So Banso girls and two of us shine. Hey, we'll be very happy because Vicks will come would win fatly. Would win fatly. Da boy na my boy. Da boy na my boy. Na my phone. Too much country talk for Banso. Too much country talk. The musician will go kiwi with their humor. So, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, my great people, the gentle people, civil people, I salute una all. I welcome una all once more for this No Corny Talk show. And this is more of a briefing from my office of the Deputy Defense Chief of the Savannah States. I want to salute all the coordinators the way that I already announced, where they already appoint them. I think we already get, about 4 or 5 coordinators. Them now wonderful people that we were general they don't choose some, and the community then all them be very very happy for receive those coordinators. I want to salute them and for talk to the system the CB built in place. We'll be very happy for the progress so far. I will be very happy for the support we will get them from the AGOFC and for chairman and the president of the AGOFC and the leader of the war for our revolution, Dr. Chua Yaba. I just be very happy. They don't be very supportive. I just be so happy with the support we are getting from them and also from Benedict Kwa. So they don't really give you free hand. We already set up very very good mechanism for Ground Zero. The network for our general they may be very important. One of my main mandate the way they began for me when they be make my appointment, I say my unite Ground Zero, and I do just that. I be very very proud for tell and I say almost in all the 7 states them for inside the Savannah states, all forces them for they don't contact me. Then be very happy with my job, and most of them don't contact me say they want join we. Most of those forces them, those county forces then they want collaborate. Then really be very very happy and would that save a lot of life in this amber to amber fight. Would already bring a lot of understanding, increased engagement, increased dialogue. Would not always choose reconciliation over conflict, and we'll be so happy for Ground Zero. Would still encourage all man to be very very approachable. Our General Ethan is just such a nice person. He speaks. He's a man of few words, but he's a very very nice person. He has been very very crucial going around from camp to camp, encouraging our boys, telling them our plan, our operation plan, and they have been very very effective. So any soldier on the ground there, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are very very happy to work with you. We are happy that the memorandum of understanding with the various county groups that exist already in Ground Zero is already being worked out for us to engage them, and we are happy that most of them they are seeing the issue of activity as a problem as well, and they have really relaxed and give a lot of concession. We hope that more and more of them will come to their senses. I also want to announce to you people that General Cross, who was arrested by Grandpa in Awing, they have brought him back there, and he is now fine. We have reached out to them and he is doing okay. We hope to resolve that standoff peacefully and in a way that will be everybody will be happy. So we need for help for use our influence, for influence the soldiers for ground, not for fight each other. For constant begin talk for social media, say me the one crush this one crush this one, me this one kill this one kill this one. No. The act of self-defense for soldier then for use lethal force get for being at the last choice. That's the last choice. We cannot treat our own brothers like we treat our enemies. We can't have the same standard. So yes, those who pose threat should be dealt with, but we should never treat our own household like our enemies. Like I always talk, if you're picking for house, you get problem with your neighbor. Like Ambazonia get problem with La Republic. If your neighbor he poison your pikin in head, for inside house your pikin start turn against you, You know, if you kill that pikin, you go beat them, but you no go let me come off for outside. You go hold it all for inside house. If you mistake nag your own pikin, your pikin die. You go cover, you go cry. You see, you go cry. You no go let me go fall for your neighbor hand. So we need to bring everybody together, even those who disagree with, even those who are believing in the government or the county structure. They are not our enemy unless they pose a direct threat. But so long as it is an ideological differences, we get an obligation for continue to engage them, continue to debate them, continue to convince them to see the light. So there are many things where I go put them out, but I go try to be very, very fast. So that maybe we'll conclude before the leaders, the one can do their press conference. The first thing we want to announce on today, I say 10 Amazonian fighters them, where they live in Indian, where they don't be defected. They don't defect, they don't decide to then go surrender, go join La République du Cameroon, their house. Because success in Congo, Nambere, their network, they don't make them with Judson Sikot. They don't start convince our fighters and say they can't drop their gun. Now the network that they don't create them for inside the Atlantic zone. We Sokadev their job for begin the tear soldier them, me they no engage La République du Cameroon. Some soldiers that they will even make arrangement with La République where they allow them the whole certain road. Me La République they hold their own road for down, they hold their own for up, they allow them they collect money for people they want go sell trader they want go sell cocoa for inside Douala. All those type of arrangement them will know them. So when they see all those type of things them, they don't become so close to the enemy way they don't just sell out. And as we go exposed today more and more for which way they happen, think the way we be done they cry they knock our head. Our people they not be the siam, we will begin to expose them. But we don't get big breakthrough. And those 10 soldiers them for Indian, we don't go surrender for La République, then go kill them all. Me all soldiers then sabi for ground zero. Once you kill a military person, especially a gendarme, then get a code, a secret code where they don't swear them, they'll go kill you. Number own die go come small time. You know go take long. They must kill you no matter what happen. So 10 soldiers of Indian, they don't go give themselves over. We some one man day they call us on CPD man they call na Akama Arome. Akama Arome he go collect money for Ndiangote. Can't deceive those boys and say me then go drop down their weapon, they go give them career, they go open them shop, they go begin give them small shop. Those boys then go drop gun, 10 of them, then kill them, they wipe them all. Their family they don't know play, then their mommy they don't know play, they don't kill them all. The other one, the way they begin to go surrender, they don't begin to call. We say the one more help, begin to tell we say, oh, na do one be seen for here, na do one be call we so, hey, we be first work for soccer, they will know this one work again. They be talking will do this kind of thing. Them, you know, fine. When I see this fight, now God ordained fight. Any man where go put shame, he go carry shame for your head. Say you want go give your hand for the enemy because they don't promise you say you go, they no go kill you because they don't promise you say they go give you small money. All the picking the way they don't kill them. Now who go help them? Now who go help their family them? Now the worst betrayer that you don't become a traitor. Any when I ask myself so when I see how many true fighter them where they don't turn over themselves for La République they no can kill them. Yes, we know say Nambere na one a good example if been a correct fighter, but before Nambere want surrender itself, they will run living because Nambere be done first already breached some that Odechi law them way. You know, before ever come up for ground zero. Now only that retired general then way they know say they no get no use. Now that one the way they take them. So Muna Sabi. We don't also see for Bisonga Bank. For Bisonga Bank, they don't come with big Kale for this. They don't catch I think we say about 200 or something more than people for inside Bisonga Bank. The mommy they no play than day. Papa they no play so than day. Now the thing in that way where people they suffer day overnight, day and night. For inside Bisonga Bank. Then just work at the catch people that they beat them, rob them inside mud, carry use them all, go with them. They don't know who side they use them. Whether they don't kill them or they don't carry and go for Konengi. Innocent people them. Those are not acceptable things. We cannot accept those conduct from La République. We must fight. We must fight these people. That is the only way. We must show them that we will not succumb out of their terrorist tactics. We must stand and defend ourselves. Now the same troops they can't pretend that the one can make peace with our people. They pretend that the one bring gifts for give our IDPs all those people them, all those their things them, we see and say now useless things the way you don't get any use now fake things them. I want to show now way to where it happen for CDC come, because as the Socadef then begin decamp, most of the Socadef forces them. So when they tell we say they know they more than 10. Most of those Socadef forces the way they be there for inside South for Atlantic states them, they protect the shipment for cocoa. They already leave their camps them. So when they don't come for we. Wait till it happen now. I say the people them for inside Manfe and for inside Manu, they don't begin call ADF comes them. The one way they be already first come, they take the lead now for train those one them and would then begin provide them with explosive. So wait till it happen now. I say La Republic of Cameroon, their forces them for the way they be already get assurance with those other forces the way they be done already collaborate with them. They don't start fear. They don't become big ball for run. Another wait, we go pick them all inside the Atlantic. So we go pick La Republic of Cameroon. Their forces, they're all for day one by one. The explosive the way they don't see for northern zone, for inside the Savannah zone, it come for inside the Atlantic zone sooner than later. We now go week 1 week. I mean 1 week. The whole Atlantic zone go shake. It go change. We now don't wait. We go deliver. They never see anything. We go deliver. Ma play on the video. Make una see am. Now the video this is load. Now the video this una see am. Una see them. Una see the Ekelebe them. The terrorist forces them. They run. Now CDC worker that in the list. How to use the volume? They don't go carry some small CDC worker there. They are picking them. With some one the way the jobless CDC people them can't stand me and pretend they make drama say they do one block the road. La Republic to Cameroon they are be they run fight because Socadef down 4 ADF that enter town they be they do one run because they don't get enough protection for them again. The problem, one of the problems they will get and for do a struggle and say people then where they get small job, civil servants, let alone small picking and look them. Now picking and that's over CDC worker them. So when the security guard look them. Now these people the way they chop together for the same table with La Republic du Cameroon, now them be one of the most dangerous enemy they will get up. And we must deal with them in the same way where the French people be deal with their own people they work with the Nazi them. Now normal practice. Any civil servant who know so get them for ground zero. No be what enemy them. But now those people then where they be chop, where they get small work. How many percent for employment will get them for inside Amazonia? Unemployment level now over 90%. The small 10% people they get small work. They see they fight for the common man, they fight for the country like an inconvenient. Because it means for them say they will sacrifice a little bit more. We don't tell all what people they work for CDC. You be better off go open your farm. You be much better off for go work for farm, for go back for your village. You there for them they pay you how much? They pay you. Do you understand that money where they pay you? They take that chop go sell them. The weapon the way they buy them go kill your people then there for inside Bamenda una. Majority of una na Bamenda come no go the una there for inside una land for Atlantic zone. They take that money where una they work for that farm. Begin kill with it. Una stop for work for CDC. No man no go cut your hand. At the talk and no man no go cut your hand because ADF don't come for town. That Kelebe them. I said then therefore if they no run come out. Una stand where they block them, they run the carrying at their head. Una fit protect them. So we send message for the whole CDC worker them. CDC plantation don't be banned until we fit take over of that plantation. Make a me serve the people them for that land. That CDC must serve the people for the Atlantic states. Una must chop money for that manu and manfe for Tico Miselele. We must start other road than Sutogo for Akwaya. Pass go come over for Nigeria. We go use only that CDC. Open back Tico Airport. We go use that CDC for train una picking and then go for university. For empower una with finances for open una own farm. Una no go there for them to work in John Massey work. They stand for them to say me be they no go. Now they be that they the wrong war. They the wrong war. ADF don't come for town. The explosive the way they run. They try for go catch for Kugwe fish and for the way the explosive then they. The explosive they know then about Kugwe. Una be done yes so our expert that enter ground zero who upgraded explosive then the one way we use for Commercial Avenue even small. The one way General Efang began for Bush Rambo in even small. So they know what they do. They know why the Ekelebe they run. But we want to tell them for inside Manu, for inside Manfe, when I mark my word, I not been a deputy defense chief for them, but I for yes, so I see city where they go for inside there for our situation room. This month, this new month where they come, the whole Atlantic zone it go change. The whole Atlantic zone it go change. And the job beg una try find way donate money because we donate money now for future. You know they put money now so that by the time where the weapon they already bring her inside ground zero now. By the time where the weapon they want go down, we go already there for another level. When I put up this this website for donate money, it be very very important. We need those funds them because without that money, we no go get those explosive material the way they come for the upgraded one them, correct one them. Hey, the answer is be the answer run war. Wanna see be the answer run war. Now link that for donate money. When I donate money, when I invest for our freedom. When be the answer run war, then when I know say it happen. It happen. Ma play this video game when I see him. Now then this is the wrong war. When I see be the wrong war, no be saying that money no there for chop for them. Then get money for chop. They get money for chop. Now that I go tell una something where it happen. The helicopter, them, una no say Cameroon no get helicopter them. The helicopter the way the French government be borrow them because of the Gabu incident. They fear say international community go can't see French people their hand for that war. They then decide to take back all their helicopter them for inside. From La République du Cameroon, they then withdraw all their helicopter them. So La République du Cameroon, they go hire helicopter from Nigeria. Me they can use that. When I see the phone way for the southern zone, for the Atlantic states, where they can carry away the sick, then bring helicopter and from Nigeria. Money same no day again. Would they bleed them? They cannot continue this war for 2 more years. La République no fit continue the war again for 2 more years. Would it bring them? We will bring down the Ray IED. And tell any person, any picking for this Atlantic zone, whether you get in a collapse, if we're there for chop the terrorist forces for La République du Cameroon the head, we not chop their head, we not jam them one by one. If you get only 1 bullet, I mean, only, you don't need 2 bullets. Learn for shoot without missing. Stand for far. You shoot them. Better shoot and miss them. Una not leave them breathing space. I tell una not leave them breathing space. And for that CDC, whether na CDC or na PAMO or na which kind infrastructure they did, una burn them down. I talk for the youth them. Because the papa the way they for the way they prepare for that CDC. They see play for play. They never know so they na for war. They never know. It go take them time for know. But una the youth now una future. Una not supposed to left. I mean, 1 cocoa me come out. Una burn other cocoa farm them. Anything where they say order truck them. Una get lucky na say then for Savannah State. Una get lucky because na me no they not go stop no truck. They go burn them all. Whether the truck them pack they go burn all those truck them. The Haiti solution will be applicable for them. Una get lucky say then for Savannah State. But any youth where they for them una they hear me. Any youth una want get una freedom. Una want see life, una want see road for una life. If una no one can end for begin travel, for go swim for cross sea, go for inside Europe. Una want see light. Una burn all those critical infrastructure for CDC. Una burn all those truck the way they transport ukoko, wa rubber, wa planty. Una burn them all. They not get no use for una. They empower the enemy for continue for press una. Now big backward they don't put on a hunchback so I go use the colonial work. See this in a hunchback for Southwest money back. See this in a way in a hunchback na kosh. When I kind of saw the worker for una back say proud back with the man. Na kosh. See this in a una kosh. Sonera na una kosh. Una don't see house where bulu beti people they build for their village for your own day. Una day for day. Say una dey go work small ground, una should know they can't give una rains. Una shine eye. Una shine eye. So, La Republic to Cameroon, inside even for the place where they soak at them, they can't still keep people them. So how Ebenezer Kwanga they talk say, declare a ceasefire. And they come for you. Ma come for you. Una see. Now video this. For inside Manfred Road. Now I picking and this so. Una see video, ma put the video for my back here. See for my 12 for Manfred Road.
Republic don't pass civil and so for my 12.
Yeah. Innocent civilian.
One day una.
This begin a 12-year-old.
Na year. La Republic don't pass shoot na pikin we don't shoot am.
Una see am.
Another man is
12-year-old.
we don't shoot am so.
We food.
Una tell we say ceasefire for 2 weeks.
Akwanga you here? Akwanga you here na pikin this so. 14-year-old pikin. They like 14-year-old pikin. La Republic du Cameroon they take gun. Then take gun so look am so deliberately shoot pikin for a hand. The other one they shoot up innocent. They never attack them for they don't even already turn them on na enablers. Then take gun shoot pikin like this one. We never ever see them do them for their own country. They tell we every single day we are less than human being. We are not up to them. We are nothing in their eyes. For we to live with this shame, with these people them. That means blood need the pass our skin. That means blood need the pass our skin. We must back and back. As the ran shoot the picking for a food, the ran shoot the other one for a hand. If that a kelebe then can pass that very place, all that you then see she don't for they allow them. That means them fool and fufu then dole and dole will get an obligation to fight for justice, for fight against impunity from La Republic du Cameroon. We get an obligation, we get a moral authority for fight against these people them till the blood, till the last blood. If it be say I fit tie bomb for my skin to go blow for there, I go tie that bomb, go blow for there. For show them. Now say we not fit become like them. Now people and this then deserve me then kill them, cut their heads so chook and for stick. This army them. See pikin, see man pikin. See man pikin, see innocent for that pikin eye. Look at that pikin eye. When I look that pikin eye. Now they can't shoot us so no, the mommy nobody do anything, pikin nobody do anything for that age. When I be down here the parliamentarian and then talk. So before they come up for our land, they go kill up to 30 pikin them. 30. One man go kill 30. One man go kill 30. Now for parliament they talk for face. Then they will go for international community to play back, play back. Then we so we go level them. No, na lie. We no go level them. We go make sure. We go sell our jewelries. We will buy armor car. We will sell our jewelries. We will buy armor car. We will stand our rubber gun. We no go cry again. After that cry, so go pass. We no go cry again. We will take our anger. We will take our frustration. We will take the history of all the pains from Mami Appiah, Baby Mata. We will gather them all. Go buy armor car. Flop them. Flop the bomb. Find place. Put them for day. Begin weduna. One by one. We will wipe all our Republic of Cameroon, their army for our territory. One by one. We know it take around 7. We kill 7 of them before they kill 1 of our fighters. The holding on how many ADF fighters don't die? How many don't die? How many La Republic don't die? They never see anything. And they laugh because at the city where they enter. Now why they laugh? At the city where they enter. When I see now for Manfred that's so. Now Manfred wrote that. I began to tell now about the opposition party them. Their rule where they play for this struggle. When I hear the audio from Bandam, how they talk about money where they contribute them for Sako regime. Me then take and begin fight. It get influence. You know what that money mean? They don't talk the amount for them, but we know amount of money they last enough. They wanna hear. My place on small part today.
Only answer my friend Abe Mberi.
I think say the only answer we figure for Mbeli. where they call am say now
small.
This video where Chris Ano, Ian Tato,
they will live to regret.
They will regret. Answer where I fit tell you.
Video
now this video where Chris Ano, Ian Tato be released
money.
So you be fool.
I'll tell you from last year.
I be pick you for street.
I've been telling since last year.
You never ever sit down for classroom. You just walk out the come andam anyhow.
Wait.
Matias Ngwa, you married him. You walk on became work the make noise.
Sat on the bed in a school.
You never ever sit down for classroom.
I hear that place before I tell now.
You just walk out the come andam anyhow. No say that God way you pray. No fi ever go above your roof. Or for doing anything.
Fumble up and down.
Say money will be given. Say me they buy weapon.
When I hear very well because last time I began tell when I say Ndawara he can meet up ni John Frundi for he has then gather how they go influence Amber Boy them. Me and go begin fight their fight. Ndawara and Frundi. When I see Ndawara they pay Amber Boy them. When I be down here, even they want for Boyo Council, Ndawara they put them on salary. Now the small fight the way they don't make and the Hausa boy they vex. Ndawara na CPG man. Frundi, yeah and Pobia they be that. You know say when this struggle start, I put my paper down. When this struggle start, some CPGM and SDF parliamentarian them people they know the system where they be done they lose relevant where Pobia be done use them so that their own use done finish they don't expire for the Pobia in hand. Then see this our revolution like an opportunity to become relevant back again for La République du Cameroon. They see this our revolution like an opportunity to challenge Biya to fight for their own portion for that midway they be the chopper for day. Now you will then jump inside. Akeremuna na be the worst one. TV, una know they cry out TV. I don't get time for begin over analyze one because we don't tell already since 2 years ago. I been talking 2 years ago so they go cry. The only thing they wanna go to see am now the evidence for the thing they will be already tell una. I been tell una. Lucas Asu be talk. Even Vera Franklin be constant tell una 2 years ago. I been tell una say opposition party them and CPDM the two side. They sponsor side them for this revolution. And their problem now say the ADF, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, Dr. Cho Ayaba, no be man where it entertain them, no be man where they feel steady, no be man where like money where they feel turn it this way, turn it this way. They talk for we, they don't engage we all. When I remember when that first protest will come, we talk even with Fundi. That way they go make rally for Boya, for Bamenda, we talk with them. So they talk with we, they don't study we, they see man where it be excited when you talk with them. Man where it come now, it be prone, where it be under that curse of the wicked black man syndrome. Is it they under that cultural hindrance? They don't know the people them. They know the people the way they be susceptible. They don't drag them. But thank God for Cho Ayaba. Say it don't stand up in ground. It don't stand up in ground. Now why the way they want finish it? They not be able to control the ADF. Now why the way they don't decide say ADF no go leave. ADF will come over that land. But the one that God ordained struggle. We the vanguards of this revolution wouldn't stand, wouldn't put pillars. So boom. Say ADF shall not fall. God himself he put us so boom. He protect General Efang. Then shoot them. They don't shoot it 2 times. Shoot bullet for his skin so it bam, it disappear for their eye. When I ask yourself how you do come out for that place, it disappear for their eye. Church are confused. So who side they? Who side they? They look as if now for ground, they look for ground, you know, day for day. This is a God ordained struggle, and God will be vomiting these people. Any man where become for this struggle, their idea be being I say the one can take me like a bargaining chip. The one way to a Frenchman they call and say liberate, I will go liberate them. The one take me like bargaining chip will go tell Pobia and say, okay, now me I will solve the problem. Now me I will help una. And then plenty even for diaspora, they are picking and get that same sig with their papa then get them. They see this struggle and say, now me I want to negotiate. Now me I want to be the middleman. I will go sell una for Pobia, I take small money, I keep them. completely success Kongo is style. The one go say, the one go exchange. Now when I see their politician them, then therefore yeah, people the way they be prone. Even Bo Herbert, somebody way talk say in the support armed conflict. You know like he war, you know like he blood. But he therefore struggle. Me go Shidomu save it. War no before people they don't like blood. We were there for they would fight for that blood. Don't be say we like blood. Now because we like our own people their blood, we need to fight and kill so that me our own picking and live. Me our country live. Now why that way? Even the Bible talk. God be send Israelites, they say, me them go for that land, for them to get that their inheritance. Land where Abraham be don't go pay money for that grave where be buried Sarah day. He said, when I go over there, when I finish the all. We ambassadors are the tell now. The Bible don't give that authority for we for fight for justice. When I kill all Cameroon army, these are terrorist forces them, where they don't occupy our land, they perpetrate this terrorism. If we want to see light, all of them, all, we now wipe them. If you know if you use stick, if you use that poison for that chop, you poison and then die. Any place where then die, any place, if you know fit, inside Savannah zone, as Sabiran talk, take picture for the place where you see. Take picture. If you know play they can chop. Write, describe them, send them for my WhatsApp. Now my WhatsApp number that. Now that day. Send them for we go say we go do the job for now. We go do the job for now. When I say I'm day, I want to take this time thank General Rambo for inside Oko. General Rambo it done broke the invincibility for the armor car. Yes. They be talk say me the French people then go bring, they can take French people, the army can join our Republic of Cameroon, the army, and they will not succeed. They don't try, as they try, they up their game with the upward game. They don't try, bring Chadians, bring their JP. Then try, if it pass them. They go bring an armor car. We don't try, we calculate.
Yeah.
Hey, that, when I see them.
This is the black shoe of Oko.
Hey,
they have born one armor car. As you can see.
When I remember, that way big number go for inside Bui. General Rambo come for day, he can give you, he give you the supply them. Tell you the Bui water and catch ADF. This thing they still be classified, but I go to talk the thing them because they as I say me no man no can come in for back say Capo the DDC, you don't breach protocol. When I go look for that video where they then catch General Efang, when I go see the explosive the way they use them for the one, it day for day. We don't proliferate, they call them a big language, proliferate explosive everywhere. And then the one way now our expert for diaspora bring and can teach the boy them. That special packet, it will you lele Afrique. Would you wait you lele Afrique? Would I not keep your packet? You know we for Bamenda no. We've been up already, they can't dig hole for my door, put something for the way you mash up. Lele Afrique. Would you wait you? As you don't go upstation, you know if you come on, you come for down there because armor car said nano would not broke the invincibility for armor car. That means there is no place where armor car will go. When I be see, they be carry una inside armor car. Helicopter where they be spend money for bring helicopter either in no day again. Now when I use the armor car, when I go enter armor car, na so peace go come up for na show. No for na mbine, peace go come up for na show. When I enter the armor car. We go jamuna, as they say asawana. We go jamuna. The whole 7 states, there is no state in the Savannah states now without an explosive. All of them. What are you doing with ADF or not? Would you supply all man? Would you need discriminate? Would you supply all man? All man. They want money with the gam. They want explosive with the gam. One way go jam, we will continue to raise some. Now that na place that when I put money for inside that way for that place when I see resort. How the result that they come up for ground zero. So I will talk about Ebenezer Kwanga before I go for give my report for Kugwe. Well, I will first finish my report for Kugwe. Me time no can catch me for here. So when I see Ebenezer Kwanga, when I tell when some man dan he don't go chop money, man don't go dirty hand. He talk so. He said when I see and so say the man they so. He hates something the way he worry. When I listen for Ebenezer Kwanga, I know they follow me, I know they listen me to where he talk. They don't record now our department, communication department, They don't say you must listen. They tell me say, can you briefing for you to Akwanga they talk? That man they mess, so that guy they mess up. Now man now if they fine, if they fine, small jealousy no go levy. So ma play the part where then talk say Akwanga can be make live show. The talk say this, so if he talk say no be ceasefire. People then I see we say will be na hano. They go write letter for international community. They come back, they can pretend. Then feel say will see stupid. We don't there is no ambazamzam again. I will not be using this word ambazamzam. We don't convert them all. Akwanga. That man with that shoe. Ma play a video. That grand friend is where. Ma play the video again. Muna here. Veneza Akwanga. And I finish. See man no can spoil life. That no can spoil life. Every day the work I talk hard and video. The people that die now, so you want to do now how them. You cry every day, say La Republic beat you, give you shit me, chop them. All those, the one way they run die, one will do now how them. Akwanga, yeah, 30 million. You don't know say if we get the ambassador, that 30 million and not if we will gamble you. When I see them.
But what is most crucial on this issue, my people? It is these two words.
Yeah.
Unilateral ceasefire and ceasefire. Soccer did not declare a ceasefire.
I said the man so the kind of doctor now PhD holder that me say oh boy my own better say come on university for year 2 at least I will give myself I be supreme commander of PhD. I been a field marshal of PhD. Now so capo dene I'm not only sales king, I'm field marshal of PhD. Ebenezer Akwanga my teach you small. I never even do research. I never even use anything for search. As a matter of fact, the communication department they watch me now for year. Ask them now which time will they send me this video. Now before the one come online, so before they send me the video. So I don't even need to do research. Yeah.
Fire under international humanitarian law and even under international relations, the norms, the concept. Ceasefire is normally declared as part of a package of a negotiated settlement. Each one of you know very well that we have not started negotiation with La Republic.
Wait.
Did not declare a ceasefire.
Ebenezer Akwanga, you don't already see we say, oh, that means say for you no, there is nobody for Amazon and nobody go school. No man nobody go school for understand the difference between ceasefire and unilateral ceasefire. Whether na unilateral or na dual ceasefire or then na ceasefire. Unilateral weti ceasefire. Yeah.
Did not declare a ceasefire.
So for you, the different man spell them out. I never do any research. I never check for Google. I never do anything. I go define them for you. I never go study military education, but I don't study law and political science very, very well. I've been a sense pass king. The one way that enter my ear, enter it remain for year. First of all, I tell you, ceasefire now a truce. You have several types of ceasefire. Unilateral ceasefire is just one of them. A ceasefire is a truce between two warring parties that have come into an agreement to stop aggressive actions against each other. While a unilateral ceasefire is when one party declares a stop or a halt in hostility against the other party. Whether it is unilateral or it is dual, it is all ceasefire. Stop lying. When you don't fuck up, just come and apologize and say that I'm tired. When you want to surrender, don't surrender. That is not all you did, Akwanga. You also wrote a letter telling the international community that our problem should be considered as a national national armed conflict, reducing an international problem into a national problem. That is surrendering. That is betrayal. The same you came here to China and you were telling people that we can win with AK. Only 7 AK we can take one division. You go to Switzerland. Then tell una small thing for day. Say, hey, una go surrender. Na for you for wake up defend we like how we believe so if you defend her. You come on send me the first gear on 30 million. So from there till now, you know, feel will be the monitor you for will be with you. From there till now, you just feel say we don't foolish, we don't forget all that in them. Now you can begin this speech. Say if we not surrender, go for negotiation table now, they will win, then drag and go for day. So now you do want go for day. You feel say we don't forget all that in them. Our own brain. Grand frère, be careful. Be careful. I warn you. Sometimes you feel say you over big because we don't respect you like a leader. Make una understand. For our generation, there is nothing like you big past me for age. We will respect you how you respect yourself. Dignity and integrity gives respect to a leader. Give respect to an elder. If you are an old man, if you been an old man, you been an old big mommy, you request your grandpicking them. For this day, they know you chop. They know come be a corner. They know play with you. You hear no Ebenezer? Wise up. Wise up. We go mess you very badly. We go mess you up very badly. If you want to talk there, I think say you don't have a cosh. We go cosh you past the way we fit think am. For the even for General Ngo e blood, General Ba Ivo e blood. All the picking the old and bury him. You know how many picking them? You know how many people that don't die? You know how many people that don't die, Ebenezer? Now so as we dey for here, if we need to surrender this war, all we need to go back for they go die. I tell you, you hear Ebenezer, maybe you don't know. We don't stand, send people the middle and go fight war. We there for diaspora. We there for here with our picking them, our woman them, we go we enjoy our woman their life, enjoy beer, stand for here, they fight for our future. If this war do not succeed, Capo Daniel, Ayabacho, you, all of us, we have to go back there and fight and die on that field. We cannot continue to live if they make peace with the Republic of Cameroon. Might just stay you. Maybe you never know. I don't come for ADF. We don't take oath. In ADF, we take an oath for independence or nothing. We don't take oath. You know very well we have taken an oath on our honor, on our life, to fight and defend our country, our homeland, to attain independence and freedom. That is the oath everybody, every soldier, every member of the ADF have taken. So, if we fail in this our mission, it is on our life. It is on our honor. It is on our dignity. We will never stand and speak. We will never leave. All of us will go there and fight and just die and then let the other people continue to do what they want to do. But before we go, I don't go talk. I don't go threaten no person. But understand, Ebenezer Kwanga, this struggle shall not be so. There is no selling of this struggle. I don't want to take any soldier for ground zero. Any soldier where you think, say if you say this struggle, Cameroon government will protect you. They never protect a Kema. You know place we'll go pick up Fundi. We'll go pick up Fundi. We'll send general. You know play that general and come out. Those fighters and come out. Go pick Fundi inside a house. Go pick Fundi inside house. Inside Bamenda. The ADF brigade. You know the people that they fight for the. You know. If I tell one of the people the way they fight for that land. They fight for those people them. We no go play. When we tell one say we go win this fight, we go win them. You hear no Ebenezer Kwanga. If you overhead Ayabacho, as you without open your mouth talk, so you are a woman and take oath. So una no go ever support Ayabacho. And the way you go come do caution. Go come do caution. Are they for here? Are the way you go come do caution. If any man if you wanna forward them for Ebenezer Kwanga, go tell say Capo Daniel and sample ye. Then me come do cosh and cosh. Then you go sabi say kaki no be leader. That one a kaki would be well you do want come. You go no say no be leader. You don't use iPhone 11. You go no say if you begin iPhone 8, iPhone 6, all those iPhone, then no be iPhone again. So we then nana for highway. All forces for ground zero will collaborate. I in the Savannah State, I will unite all our forces. I will unite them all. Because I stand for truth. I don't come there to take over their groups. I don't come there to do anything. I come to assist them, to help them to attain victory against the Republic of Cameroon. That is my job. I am not there to get any job. I'm not there for any honor. I'm not there to get anything. That is all I want. The independence of Southern Cameroon. I the talk and let's say the play. When we will win this war, I will not even go to that buoya. If I come to that buoya, I will those kind of can't drink my matango. Became drunk because the joy I will have in my free country. Even if I go because work my farm, the chop manjama, I go do me back fine. I will just should also watch TV. I see how they argue. Una politician they argue. I'll do me fine. I'll do me fine. Just freedom. All we want is freedom. The freedom for our Pekin and for go for school, for compete and attain their full potential. The freedom for our own people to participate for their elections. Design their own motto, design their own things, excel. The freedom for them to take the national resources the way God done give for them, invest them for their life. That is the freedom we want. Freedom of speech, freedom of civil liberty, democracy. Now, why that would fight for make sure say even during the revolution would hold these tenets them, So, ladies and gentlemen, I move my cap for activists. I put on my cap as the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces for brief on our actions on the ground and on the events that happened in Kugwe. As you understand, 3 days ago, I ran make a post for tell and say, Commando, either attack, come with 100 forces them for attack Kugwe. Later on, we'll get more intelligence, say the person who can attack them no be actually Commando. Because Commando be done commodity for that group, that Batibo cartel, it don't fall out with them. It don't come out. My own opinion, I say, when person do the kind thing the way they do go buy house, buy land, be house for Nigeria, then it don't go in for retirement like Nambere and Success in Congo. The only two we figure here tomorrow and I say it for Yaoundé, if it be possible. So make it not happen moon a surprise. But it don't day now, it day fine for Nigeria, it talks say no day. And I even talk for a small brother, Blinky to tell me say he too no day, but now they boy them camp inside Kugwe. Ma play the video. The same people they be complain say ADF they complain for inside Kugwe. Why they no can beat ADF? Why ADF no can apologize? ADF do want go beat chief. Now the video this my play I'm gonna see. This is what these guys they came to Kugwe to do. Now look at the video. They come for inside Kugwe. Now Kugwe this so. Now see in front palace, them broke state away there for day. Put them down, chakararam. I don't change the voice so that me man don't know the voice. See? Now lie on that so. Now lie on that. They come for inside Kugwe. They come for they can chakaratin for palace. Come over they go with some small village. They call that small place again. That's where it's for day. They come na through Ufa. Enter for inside Kugwe, chakaratin them. Who's my briefing day? I don't know if I put my briefing, but this narrative and this will happen for inside Kugwe. They can't destroy things of a palace. People they will not be the complaint say ADF don't go touch chief. Would therefore they not empower chief? They come they can chakaratin and so they go for General Mba I for their compound. Go because you should go for up. BBT brother and BBT relatives them for day. Say me then go show ADF come. Because they don't come for an agreement with the fund. Say our barracks they no go day inside the village. I no go further for talk more because say the things and the way they see happen for day then be classified. But I want to inform when I say La République du Cameroon they try to track down one of our bomb maker the way it come from the diaspora. It don't come for they can help our people that will set up bombs for train them. Now why that they push all the their people then when they come they can attack them. They bring all kind motive them. So but the man know the for day the man be done finish job so they go back for place say come out. Go the goods that be delivered. So they come for day they can't waste their time. So Ebenezer Akwanga need to stop them all. Ambazonia they need to understand. We'll be lucky to get a leader we don't come out distinguish itself like Ayabacho. For any leadership for succeed, for be worthy, for build or for be successful, for build a country or for fight a liberation movement in a collective manner like our own. Truthfulness, he gave a different mop. Ayabacho be so. Truthfulness is a mark of integrity. You need integrity in a leader. Integrity is very important. A discipline on principle, a leader who is disciplined on principle, is a leader that the people can count on to build a nation. Even for Bible, you hear when they talk say a king, when you say something, you know if you go back for that same thing. You must be consistent in the principles where you get them. You must be consistent for you to succeed. And I believe we have that person in Dr. Cho Ayaba. You must have a personal integrity. You cannot come and you lie to people. You lie about this one. You lie about the international community. You lie about diplomatic success. You lie about my trip to Boya. You lie about this one. Lies, lies, lies. You cannot be a leader without personal integrity. It cannot happen. You can't do that. You see them when they happen for La Republique. Now say the country there, now why they the way they. But for we, so the fight for independent, for fight for a just cause for people them, you cannot be a leader without personal integrity. You cannot be a leader when you are not good in communication. You can see how Ayabacho communicate, it articulate our problem for public. You cannot be a leader that cannot empower the boys who are fighting the military. When I see how Ayabacho deliver the weapons, he's delivering weapons. You can't be a leader without the ability to empower. Anybody in Ambazonia who said that he's a leader that can empower the people more than Ayabacho, even Dr. Jongu Foncha have not done what he is doing today. I mean, Dr. Jongu Foncha have not done what Ayabacho is doing. Nobody have not done what Ayabacho is doing. Nobody in our entire history, the whole history, 10,000 years or how many 100 years, nobody have empowered our boys like Ayabacho have empowered them. And we have to know that nobody have come up with the type of initiatives that Dr. Ayabacho have come up with. Initiative, taking of risk. He has risked his life and gone to ground zero. No leader have gone to ground zero to stand there and launch an initiative there like Dr. Cho Ayaba. A leader have to be a problem solver. They don't bring armored car. They bring weapon, heavy weapon. He bring AK-47. Let's change all these things. We bring AK-47. He's a problem solver. The problem that we face with La Republique, the occupation, he's a problem solver. He said we have to challenge them militarily. We have to fight. We have to make it ungovernable. He's countering everything that they do. This one, he counter them. He counter them. He counter them. Now say they, he's a solution-oriented person. We don't solve the problem for armored car. We have solved the problem with armored car. With the supply groups. He's always the person who takes the initiative when it comes for unity. He's the one who always go there. Even when they not be invited for inside Zaire, I know be become there. A leader and a person will be capable for delegate power. No be say all thing there for ye. I have actually the delegate power. Inside my position, my office, now me I the handle them. The general they report directly to me. I be testimony. I testify for now. Maybe I'm not supposed to talk all in them, but I want to when I say they delegate power. Any man they say Lucas asked today for office, Tapang Ivo for office. A leader is a leader who is also diverse. You see the AGOVC, you see the ADF, they are well structured. They are gender balance. You don't just have activists. You have activists, you have the book people who can write, who can do this. You have this one who is assisting you. Last time I bring out my programs, they will write it down very well and present it to me in this one and this one and say this is how we have to do. You must have a goal mark. You must reach this point. What are your goals? That you have this position. What do you want to accomplish? What are your goals? When do you think you accept this goal? How can we assess you? At this 1 week, they will remind you this goal. You said this goal. How are you doing? They come to meeting. Everybody is dressed, well dressed, put on tie to be very serious, to know the gravity of the things you are handling. So now say they, a leader have to be a motivation speaker. Somebody who motivate. When he speak, people that be motivated. People they sleep. When he speak, people they be ready for act. That is what a leader have to be. A leader have to be somebody who can be a team player. Nobody say all team are you one. You see ADF, how would they come off outside? I said they come off this side. Two, they come out. They go team player, teamwork. All man they be cohesive. You never see some one man come out for ADF start making kokosh people then for day. Teamwork, respect of each other, respect each other's office. We debate things transparently. We debate things. I have my idea. Somebody have a contrary idea. We'll put it there. We'll look at it on both sides and we'll see which one will go. And a leader that accepts his mistakes. Many times I have a children bring policy them. People then deny them. He take a withdraw them back. Many times. That is how a leader is. A leader has to produce quality result. A leader must produce quality result. I have done this. I've built this. A leader must have a vision that the people can understand and they can see. A clear vision and a sense of a roadmap. I have actually given a clear sense of direction. There is no lack of direction. A clear road of direction. A leader must be a good mentor. Somebody where they mentor people them. A lot of mentors. A leader must be a person where they attract characters, attract good characters, attract talents. How many of them see they lost talent for this side? Do you want how many people they even appoint them for IG where they nobody even know they say the level of opposition with it? A leader must be like that. A leader must be a coach where the coach people them, coach the team member them. I have actually call you sometimes overnight, call you, find out about your personal problem, your life. He's a life coach. That is a leader. A leader must be somebody who generates creativity and innovation by the people who are beneath him. And Ayabacho is doing that. Everybody under him, he motivates them to be creative, to be innovative. He unleashes our power. He is not like all-knowing. He unleashes our power. He unleashes our innovation. They bring you because of this. They magnify it, encourage you to do it. That is how a leader is supposed to be. That's how a leader is supposed to be. On the ground, you see General Efang. He's a leader. He does not lead on social media or news. He leads by going to the camps, visit his camps, visit his soldiers, provide them weapons, provide them everything. So this is my presentation for you. Pray for our soldiers in Kugwe. Pray for our soldiers all around in Bamenda. And we'll continue our operation. I'll give chance now so that our leader can come and have their program. God bless you. Have a good day. May our revolution be short. May our independence.
Frankly, it's more